Dear students, today we will solve few examples on labor turnover rate in direct labor remuneration system for subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 1 for SY BCom semester 3 Veer Nirmal South Gujarat University. Here is the first question. From the following information, calculate labor turnover rate and labor flux rate. Number of workers as on 1st January 2011 7,600 and number of workers as on 31st December 2011 8,400. During the year, 80 workers left while 320 workers were discharged. 1500 workers were recruited during the year. Of these, 300 workers were recruited because of exits and the rest were recruited in accordance with expansion plans. This is from CA Inter May 2001 examination. Here is the solution. First of all, we will calculate average number of workers during a year, and our formula is number of workers at the beginning plus number of workers at the end divided by 2. That is 7,600 workers at the beginning plus 8,400 workers at the end divided by 2. So our average number of workers during period, that is 1st January to 31st 12 2011 is 8,000 workers. Now we will calculate labor turnover rate by 3 methods. First method, separation method, and our formula for labor turnover rate is number of separation during the period divided by average number of workers multiplied by 100. In our example, separation 80 plus 320 workers divided by average number of workers, already we calculated 8,000 multiplied by 100. So our final answer, labor turnover rate under separation method, amounts to 5%. Now B, replacement method, and our formula for labor turnover rate is number of replacements during the period divided by average number of workers. In given example, our replacement is 300 workers divided by average workers 8,000 multiplied by 100. So our final answer of labor turnover rate under replacement method amounts to 3.75%. Now labor turnover rate for flux method. The labor turnover rate is equal to number of separation plus number of accessions divided by average number of workers. So number of separations 400 plus number of accessions matlab total recruitment 1500 divided by 8,000 workers average, and our labor turnover rate for flux method is 23.75%. Dear students, in some of the universities in flux method they consider number of replacements in place of number of accessions. So if you consider number of replacements, then your answer would be number of separation 400 plus number of replacements 300 divided by average numbers 8,000 multiplied by 100. So in that case our labor turnover rate would be 8.75%. Let us solve second example. The cost accountant of Y Limited has computed labor turnover rates for the quarter ended 31st March 2011 as 10%, 5% and 3% respectively under flux method, replacement method and separation method. if the number of workers replaced during that quarter is 30, find out the number of workers A recruited and joined and B left and discharged. First, let us see the basic information. Labor turnover rate under flux method is 10%, under replacement method 5%, under separation method 3%, and number of workers replaced during quarter is 30. So first of all, we will calculate average number of workers using replacement labor turnover rate formula, because we have two information available from the formula. First is labor turnover rate under replacement method and workers replaced. So our formula is number of workers replaced during the period divided by average number of workers multiplied by 100. Now let us put available information. So labor turnover rate 5 is equal to number of replaced workers 30 divided by average workers we have to find out. So as it is, multiply by 100. So next step, 5 is equal to 3000 divided by average workers. Here we multiply 30 into 100 and average workers is equal to 3000 divided by 5 is equal to 600 workers. Now first we will calculate number of workers left and discharged using separation method. So our formula for that, labor turnover rate for separation method is equal to number of separations divided by average number of workers multiplied by 100. So labor turnover rate 3 already given in the sum is equal to number of separations we have to find out, that is x, divided by average number of workers 600 already we calculated, multiply 100. So finally we get 18 workers who left and discharged the company. Next we calculate number of workers recruited and joined using flux method. So our formula of labor turnover rate for flux method is number of separations plus number of accessions divided by average number of workers multiplied by 100. Now let us put the available information or data, that is labor turnover rate 10 plus number of separations 18 plus number of accessions we have to find out. So it is x divided by average number of workers 600 multiplied by 100. So next step we get 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18 plus x, and next step 60 minus 18 is equal to x. So x is equal to 42, that is number of workers recruited and joined during the period is equal to x is equal to 42. Now we will see sum number 3. The following information is available from the Personnel Department of Virag Silk Mills Limited. Calculate labor turnover rate, number 1 by replacement method, number 2 by separation method, and number 3 equivalent annual labor turnover rate. Here we have the information: number of workers on 1st April 2016 4380 and number of workers on 30th April 2016 3720, and during the month of April 2016 number of workers resigned 380, number of workers retired 460, number of workers dismissed 320, and number of workers newly appointed 500, out of which 140 workers were taken under expansion plan. This is from Veer Narmad South Gujarat University SY BCom April 2011 examination. Now let us solve the example. First of all, we will calculate average number of workers during April 2016, and our formula is number of workers at the beginning of the month plus number of workers at the end of month divided by 2. So 4380 plus 3720 divided by 2. So finally we get average number of workers during April 2016 is equal to 4050 workers. Now we will calculate labor turnover rate. First, under replacement method. Our formula is labor turnover rate is equal to number of workers replaced divided by average number of workers multiplied by 100. So as per the information available in this sum, number of workers replaced 360 divided by average number of workers we calculated 4050. So labor turnover rate amounts to 8.89% under replacement method. Now labor turnover rate under separation method. Our formula is number of workers separated divided by average number of workers multiplied by 100. So number of separation during the month is 380 plus 460 plus 320. Here all the laborers who were dismissed, who got retirement and who resigned from the company will be considered as a separated workers divided by average number of workers 4050 multiplied by 100. So finally we get 28.64% labor turnover rate under separation method. And now we will calculate equivalent labor turnover rate during the year. Dear students, here we calculated labor turnover rate under replacement method and under separation method for the month of April. Now here it is equivalent labor turnover rate for the whole year. So our formula for equivalent labor turnover rate is labor turnover rate for the period divided by days in the month that of that particular period multiply 365 days. In our particular example, information is for April month and there are 30 days in April month, so we divide labor turnover rate by 30 days. So first we will calculate equivalent labor turnover rate for replacement method. So equivalent labor turnover rate formula is labor turnover rate divided by days in April multiply 365. So 8.89 labor turnover rate under replacement method divided by 30 days multiply 365. So finally we will get 108.16%. Same for separation method. Labor turnover rate 28.64 divided by 30 days in April multiply 365 days. So finally we get 348.65%. That's all. Dear students, we will meet very soon with new examples on labor turnover. Thank you very much for watching the video.